Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Yes, I do like the Step Brothers movie. My name is Brandon. I'm a passionate outdoorsman. I love fishing, I love hunting, and what you can expect from this channel is relevant and honest information through fishing tips. And so again, that thermocline is forcing those fish up. That stained dirty water forces bass to go shallow.
If the nose extends past the lower jaw, that means they feed on the bottom of the lake.
Almost pulling that weight off of them. Fishing technique.
So here's the bank, a shallow bank where that boat ramp is. And so still where they could ambush, but above that thermocline. What I was using here was a 3/8 ounce swim jig bite with a white crawl trailer on it.
And then it's pushing in this creek where it's flattened out and shallow, and that's kind of the spots I'm looking for.
I knew the fish would be either on that mud line or out deeper. They're not going to be in that mud.
DIY boat and fishing hacks.
Smoking that much, but obviously when I revved it, I really smoking that thing. So I imagine it'll start building up more as it warms up.
I push it down with my finger.
And it's actually down here in this canister here.
And all you're doing, you're filling this bottom, this unit, lower unit.
So yeah, now that I can actually see the whole thing, it is pretty gnarly looking right there.
Oklahoma Lake Guy
It
videos.
is right against these creeks, which is gonna make these areas really good.
Rock on certain banks, laydowns, it's got docks, provides water to roughly around 6,000 residents.
And then it most likely cut back.
They both look to have brand new docks on them. The ramps are wide.
Buyer's guides.
Right there on the side, and that's showing that it's on.
And if you're an outdoorsman like me and like a little bit of hunting entertainment,
You might remember this spot from the last video we did. This is a spot where we lost the keys in the car. Well, we haven't made it to camp yet, but we got a snake on the road.
I have a bit of that too. Overall, I've been working in the fishing industry for several years now, working with pro fishermen, bait designers, rod designers, industry experts, you name it. Growing my knowledge and my passion for this sport, and I'm happy to be able to share that with you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out through my email. I'll leave that on the screen now. Social media, however you want to. I would love to help any way I can. And I promise if you dig down below, you'll find something that fits your needs. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.